Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm sharing another early stage new project that has the potential for a future airdrop. The project is called Specter Games. So what exactly is Specter Games? It's essentially a gaming company that builds games on Telegram. As you can see, they have already raised 5 million in funding and have status as a confirmed airdrop, which is great. Now if we look at its investors, we can see a mix of tier 2, tier 3 and tier 4 investors. If you visit their X profile, as you can see, they have 42k followers right now. If you scroll down, you will find lots of information about their project and they are active here, which is another positive sign. If you want the latest updates related to crypto and airdrops, then you can join our Telegram channel. I'll provide the link in the description, so check it out. To join the airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram link in the description. Where you find this link, simply click that link and you land on this page. So first you need to click on sign in. Here you can use any of the following wallets, but here I select MetaMask. Then connect. And again click on sign in. Then confirm. And it's done. Now click continue. Again continue. And again continue. Now here enter your email and click continue. Then check your email, you will find the link in the spam folder. Then click on verify email. And it's verified. Now here you can set up your profile. Here you can set any image you want. Then choose a username. Keep in mind that the username must be in lowercase only. And you can use numbers but no dashes, underscores or special characters are allowed. For example, I've entered Moondrop Crypto here and then continue. Next, you need to connect your Twitter and Discord accounts, which will earn you 10 stars each. First, let's connect Twitter and authorize the app. Then connect Discord and authorize it. Once both social media accounts are connected, click continue. After that, you'll see your first task, which is to like and retweet a post. So click here and you land here. So here click on retweet. Then repost it and it's done. Then again click on like. Then like the post. Go back and click on complete. So the task is complete. Here click on missions. Here you will find lots of tasks which are basically X likes and reposts. So click here to join their Telegram. So here you need to connect your Telegram first. So click on connect. Then here again click on connect and connect your Telegram. After connecting Telegram, click on this task again. And click on join. Then join their channel and click on complete. And it's completed. So make sure to complete all of these tasks. If you check the leaderboard, you can see how much XP others farming this airdrop have earned. Our goal is to earn as much XP as possible by completing more tasks. When you hover over your profile, you'll see a referrals option. Click on it and you'll find your referral link, which you can copy and share with your friends. The data for everyone you referral will also be visible on this page. Also, they have a Telegram game that you can check out. I'll share the link for that on our Telegram as well. In the game, you basically play to collect points. Then click play. The game will start where you need to move around and avoid obstacles like insects. You'll also encounter skills during the game. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.